Dear students, welcome to Dev's Academy. We are continuing the same chapter, Lines and Angles, for class 9 CBSE group. Today we will start the properties of parallel lines. When we will study properties of parallel lines, we have to be very careful about the factors that I am discussing with you. The first thing is that when two or more parallel lines are transversed or intersected by a transversal, what happens? Just see that straight line AB is parallel with CD and EF is a parallel. AB parallel to CD and EF is transversal. EF is transversal, and this transversal intersects AB at G and CD at H. When two parallel lines or two or more parallel lines are intercepted by transversal, what takes place? When parallel intersected by a transversal, the alternate interior angles, which is two pairs, becomes equal. That is angle AGE. AGH. Here it is AGH. This angle 3 is equal to angle 5, that is GHD it will be. And angle BGH, angle 4 will be equal to angle 6, that is GHC. This is known as alternate interior angles. It has got two pairs of alternate interior angles becomes equal. I have shown you with figure and giving number there. Alternate interior angle গুলো ইকুয়াল হবে যেগুলো আমি এখানে উল্লেখ করেছি। এটা two pairs, এটা two pairs হবে, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. These pairs are known as alternate interior angles. Next, corresponding angles, which is four pairs, becomes equal. Which is four pairs, corresponding angles become equal. Corresponding angle is transversal on the same side of the transversal and just similar. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. These are four pairs, they are equal. These angles are known as corresponding angle. Angle এখানে 1 আর 5, 1 আর 5, 2 আর 6, 3, 7 এবং 4 and 8. এই অ্যাঙ্গেলগুলো এখানে দেওয়া আছে নাম, এরা হলো corresponding angle. Corresponding angle will be equal. Co-interior or allied or conjoined angles, that is they are supplementary. Conjoined angle এখানে conjoined বা co-interior এবং allied angle বলতে গেলে আমরা বুঝবো এখানে angle 3, angle 6, angle 4, angle 5. Sum of 3 and 6 and 4 and 5 given here, angle 3 and angle 6, that is AGH plus GHC equal to 180 degree. That is 3 plus 6 equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 and angle BGH plus GHD equal to 180 degree. অর্থাৎ angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Alternate exterior angles become equal. Alternate exterior angle বলতে গেলে আমরা বুঝবো এখানে 1 and 7, 2 and 8. EGB and CHF, that is 1 and 7, and AGE equal to angle DHC, that is angle 2 equal to angle 8. These angles are known as alternate exterior angles. এরা সমান হবে। এছাড়া এর আগে আমরা যেগুলো পড়েছি, that is vertically opposite angles, 2 will be equal to 4, 1 will be equal to 3, 6 will be equal to 8, 7 will be equal to 5 will be equal to 7. এগুলো তো রয়েছে এর সঙ্গে। And if a transversal EF intersects two other straight lines, এখান থেকে আমরা যেটা পেলাম থিওরেমের আকারে, সেটা হলো if a transversal EF transverse intersects two other straight lines as to make the alternate angles equal, the corresponding angles equal, and co-interior angles are supplementary, the two straight lines, that is AB and CD, will be parallel. এখানে দুটো স্ট্রেট লাইন AB আর CD কে EF ট্রান্সভার্স করেছে, অর্থাৎ ইন্টারসেক্ট করেছে G তে আর H এ। এর ফলে কি হয়েছে, অল্টারনেট অ্যাঙ্গেলস আর ইকুয়াল, corresponding angles are equal, and co-interior angles are supplementary. হলে পরে these two straight lines will be parallel. And conversely, ঠিক উল্টোতে, যদি কোনো একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন ইন্টারসেক্ট করে, স্ট্রেট লাইন যেটাকে আমরা বলছি EF ট্রান্সভার্সাল intersects two parallel line হলে পরে কি হবে, the alternate angles will be equal to one another, the exterior angles, that is equal to the interior opposite angles, which is called corresponding angle. এই অ্যাঙ্গেলগুলোকে বলা হয় corresponding angle. এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা এই সঙ্গে corresponding, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা এর সঙ্গে corresponding, এইটার সঙ্গে এইটা corresponding এখানে দেখানো আছে, নাম্বার দিয়ে আমাদের দেখানো হয়ে আছে। এরা ইকুয়াল হলে পরে যখন প্যারালাল লাইনকে কোনো ট্রান্সভার্সাল ইন্টারসেক্ট করবে তখন এরকম হবে। আমাদের একটা কোশ্চেন দেখা যাক, এখান থেকে এই প্রসঙ্গ থেকে একটা কোশ্চেনকে শিখে নেওয়া যাক। নেক্সট দিন আমরা আরো অনেক কোশ্চেন্স করব। ইন দ্য গিভেন ফিগার AB প্যারালাল টু CD and EF transversal, if angle 7 equal to 80 degree, angle 7 equal to 80 degree, angle 7 equal to 80 degree, solution, angle 7 equal to 80 degree. Therefore, see, angle 8 equal to, angle 8 will be equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree, because they are linear pair. Why? Because since angle 7 and angle 8 are linear pair, these are linear pair. Again, see that angle 7 equal to angle 3 is equal to 80 degree. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Angle 7 equal to angle 3, corresponding angles. Again, see, angle 7 equal to angle 3 and angle 8 equal to angle 4. Angle 8 equal to angle 4 is equal to 100 degree. Corresponding angles. This is also corresponding angle. Again, angle 4 and angle 2. Angle 4 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle 4 equal to angle 2 is equal to 100 degree. Similarly, angle 4 equal to angle 2, angle 2 equal to angle 6. We have got angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 2 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 6 equal to 2 equal to angle 6 equal to 100 degree. Since angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles, and angle 1 and angle 5 equal to angle 5 and angle 8 are supplementary. Therefore, angle 5 equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, that is 80 degree. They are linear pair. Therefore, angle 5 equal to angle 3 equal to 80 degree. Hence, we can say that angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 5 equal to angle 7. Angle 3 equal to angle 5 equal to angle 7 equal to 80 degree, and angle 2 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 6 equal to angle 8 equal to 100 degree. This is answer. This is equal to answer. From next day, we will go through the chapters and we will solve so many problems. Try to continue with me. You will learn everything. Thank you.